Today I'm in my bathroom creating a gallery wall. Let it go. Got all my frames from IKEA, budget friendly, and this is pretty much the wall. It's a little bit tall, but we're not gonna go any higher than probably up there. Can't see it because my camera's not getting that wide right now. But yep, that's what we're doing. I am going to try to make it happen and work fast and get these up and let go. To create my desired bathroom gallery wall, I'm hanging all my frames first. Why? Well, because I really wanted to put a crossword puzzle eye length from the toilet. That way, when I'm sitting on the toilet, I have something to do. From there, I am spacing all of the larger frames first and almost building them as like a border on this wall. And then within that larger framed area, there'll be that middle part where I will put the smaller frames in a cute and appeasing way. I'm doing all of this just based on my eye and things that I think would look nice, and I'm playing around with them. All of my frames are from IKEA. All of the photos I'm placing in the frames were found on Etsy. I'll link everything in the description box below. The frames that already have pictures were a part of about 7-piece set that I found on sale at IKEA for around $25. I didn't use every single frame, but I think that it was a really great deal and just something extremely useful since you get so many different sizes. Definitely a good find. Okay guys, so you can't see it that well because my bathroom is pretty small, but this is my gallery wall. I just hung all the photos frames, and now I'm gonna interchange out all of the I'm gonna change out all of the different photos in here, and then you guys get to see what I printed out from Etsy. All of it is gonna be linked in the description box, obviously. Okay, I'm about to do it. It's been a long day, guys. I have had to go find a place to print all the digital prints that I wanted that I bought from Etsy, which I probably spent maybe 40 bucks on different ones, and I bought a ton so I can have them like they have big packages, if that makes sense. I'm like so tired. They have these huge packages that you can buy for like 99 different photos and things you can have, and then you can print them out and whenever you need them. So I bought one of those, and then I bought a bunch of other additional ones I thought were really cute, and then decided what I wanted to print, figured out all the sizes that I wanted. Now we're gonna put all of them in the frame. And this is the finished product. So excited. Thank you guys so much for watching my video to this point. If you haven't already, like this video and share with your friends, and subscribe for more so you can see more and more of my DIY food and fun content. Thanks so much. See you soon.